victim, channel member that will be joining our channel. His name is Braden. He will be the editor. So let's all just give some claps to him. Okay. That was really corny. Okay, so he will be teaching you how to backflip, and I'll be teaching you how to front flip. Like I said, except I only said front flip because Braden, we just hired him today. So, hope you enjoy the video. Hit that like and sub button. It's completely optional, and you can turn it off whenever you want. So, without ado, let's get started. Braden, but first of all, Braden, say hello.
Hello.
He'll be teaching you how to backflip today, and so, yeah, it's kind of weird, and he loves to joke around. So, let's just get straight to the video. He's going to be teaching you how to backflip first. So, first of all, just regular backflip. So that's how you do, like, just a regular backflip. And then now Xander will show you how to do a front. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways.
I told you he was jokey.
Yeah. Anyways, so first of all, you're going to want to start off doing some back bounces. Oh, okay. So, anyway, sorry. Then you'll go do that a bunch of times, a bunch of back bounces. Again, just like this. And then you'll start doing some tuck back bounces. That's what they're called, right? Anyways, so you start doing that. You'll go. Oh, sorry, I messed that up. I went too far back. You have to be careful though, too. You don't want to go too far back when you do those. Otherwise, if you do that, there's a risk of you snapping your neck. Yeah, be careful, kids. So anyways, I don't know if you're kids, but whatever. Anyways, we'll do a bunch of those. Oh, frick, that was in the tuck. A bunch of those tuck back bounces. And then, yeah, just like that. Like I said, just back bounces, and then once you start doing that a bunch, like I'm not the type of guy to like always tuck when I do a back flip. Anyways, I usually like to do like layouts like this, where you don't tuck when you do that. But yeah, so you could just do that, but if you want, it's optional, your choice if you want to tuck or not. But I'll just go like this. Never mind, don't do that. You want to tuck bounce, then go back over your shoulder. And then sometimes you can do pullovers, where you go on your back, and then you flip like that. Yeah. So just keep doing. That wasn't really a pullover, but yeah. If you just keep doing some of those, you should be good. Hold on, let me try and do that. Whatever. And then you can start doing, once you do that a bunch, you kind of tilt higher to where you're getting close, and then you to doing a backflip. And then, like, just rewatch the steps a bunch if you have troubles, but now you're gonna want to go like, kind of like a back handspring, but you're gonna go to the side. You're gonna go like this, and do that.
doing that until you practice it really well and you can do it good. And then, yeah, just keep doing that like I said. I didn't really do that one good. But anyways, then if you feel confident enough after doing those, what you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna go right here and you're gonna go, it's not really like that, but you're gonna do the step you just did, this. Alright, you'll do that and then you're gonna do that, except your arms aren't gonna touch the ground. You're just gonna be right here and then you're gonna go with no hands. Then you try and go kind of like handstand backwards. No, not handstand. I'm stupid. Cartwheel backwards, but like no hand cartwheel. Like if you did a cartwheel just like this, no hand. Just do that, and then you're gonna do that a bunch, and then once you do that, try and land on your feet. I just haven't done this in forever. I haven't really taught someone in a while, but I still remember the steps. But anyways, yeah, you'll just keep doing that. Try and land, and then once you do that a bunch, try and start going back more, or you'll go like that. I almost snapped my neck, but who cares? So yeah, you're just gonna want to keep going back like that, no hands. Please don't snap your necks, guys. Anyways, yeah, and then once you do that, you can try going like on your stomach, like this. Oh, sorry, that wasn't good. Never mind, don't really try it on your stomachs, guys. It's actually really hard. Yeah, just keep trying to do one. And then you should like land on your knees, not really your stomach. Anyway. Okay, anyways. Yeah, and then once you do that, just keep doing that a bunch. And then like you should be able to get to there after doing all these steps a bunch. Soon, where you can go back foot. Just like that. That wasn't good. Let me try this again. I know I did tuck and I say I didn't tuck. That was just the land. And then once you do backflips a bunch, you can learn how to do this. A Spider-Man backflip. Oh, my ankles are broken. Anyways, yeah. So now you know that. I would like to pass it to my good friend Xander. What? Your turn.
Okay, you gonna play bowling after that? Let's go. Sorry, we really like bowling. Okay, I am the main person in the show today because he's the editor. Well, he is because he's really okay. Whatever. I'm the main person of the show. Well, you know what I mean. So to do a front flip, first just practice going like this, and then if you want to get tricky, just go on your knees. That'll help you get used to actually like bending over to flip. And then once you do that a couple of times, just come over here like this, and
Yo, Xander, it stopped recording.
no, it didn't.
Yeah, it did.
No, it did.
It
not.
did.
No, it didn't.
I don't know if it's too long or something. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah.
Jokey. He was joking again.
It's 10 minutes.
Okay. So what you're gonna do you do a front flip. You're just gonna keep doing what I said. Strong. You're gonna keep doing what I said. Just go. And that'll get used to it. You'll get used to it. Then what I want you to do is do do that with your hands behind your back, like, or behind your head like usual, or behind your neck. I prefer behind your head. And then dive down with the head going down. But don't hit your head on the tram. So just go. And you can release too, because you'll be needing to do that. Okay? So then next, once you do that a bunch of times, go like this. So instead of going like this, you are going to grab the back of your head like always, and then once you start to flip, switch to putting your hands on your knees to kind of cradle them. And then just, okay, once you do that a bunch of times, you should be ready. So what you're gonna do is, after that, you're gonna go same thing, except this time you're gonna do a somersault. So just keep doing that a bunch of times. That should get you have to do that one at least 20 times to get you used to actually flipping. So okay, so now what you do, you're basically ready. You just do the somersault, except with your knees going down, except in the air. And once you do it all, it should look like this. So, good job. You just learned how to front flip. Now let's do something harder. Okay? So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a knee bounce, then switch and fall back to a back bounce. Then practice that a couple of times once you've gotten good at the actual front flip. So just go. It's okay if you use your hands, okay? That's why God gave them to us, so we can use them. So, do that. Okay, so then you go there. You know, like onto your knees like you used to. But before you go to your knees, land on the knees, go to the back, and head knees to the front, back to a cradle. So then what you do is, if you didn't notice, we're doing a knee to the back to the front flip. So for this one, you're gonna need a lot of bounce. And so I recommend getting really high. And then you put your toes down to go higher. Then just go. It's actually really fun, and it'll impress all your friends. And soon you'll be able to do it better than I will. And then you got it. So have a good day. I'll be recording at Tate's place on Saturday, and we will go somewhere like Wahoo's, Dave & Buster's, Pojo's, somewhere like that, just to record and have some fun. So that'll be the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Hope you can front flip and back flip now. We're really bad teachers, so if this doesn't help, go on to someone else that's better than us. So without anything else, thanks for watching.